Have you ever heard a strange gurgling sound coming from your sink, dishwasher, or washing machine? It can be quite unsettling, almost like your home is trying to tell you something. Appliance gurgling usually points to a few common culprits: issues with your home's drainage system, an imbalance in air pressure, or a partial clog somewhere in the pipes. These noises are often a clear signal that something needs attention. The core reason behind most gurgling is the complex interaction between water and air within your plumbing. As water drains, it creates negative pressure or a vacuum behind it. To relieving this pressure, the plumbing system relies on vent pipes, which allow air to enter the drain line. If a vent pipe is blocked, or if a clog partially obstructs the drain, the system struggles to pull in air efficiently. This forces air to be pulled through the nearest water seal, like the water in a sink's P-trap, resulting in that distinct gurgling sound. To diagnose the issue, first observe when the gurgling occurs. Does it happen when a specific appliance drains, or when you flush a nearby toilet? If it is localized, try clearing a basic clog using a drain snake or a mixture of baking soda and vinegar, followed by hot water. If the gurgling is more widespread, affecting multiple fixtures, the problem might be in your main vent stack or a deeper blockage in the primary drain line. Checking the vent stack on your roof for obstructions, like leaves or bird nests, is a helpful step. Understanding the role of your plumbing's vent system and the clever design of the P-trap is key here. A P-trap, that U-shaped bend in your drain pipe, always holds water, creating a barrier against unpleasant sewer gases. When you hear gurgling, it often means the system is desperately trying to equalize pressure by sucking air through this vital water seal, which can also indicate a possible dry P-trap if the gurgling is due to a lack of use. This continuous exchange of air is what keeps your drains flowing smoothly and prevents foul odors. By learning to recognize the signs of these common plumbing issues, you can often address them proactively before they turn into bigger problems. Paying attention to those gurgling noises helps ensure your home's drainage system remains clear, functional, and free from unpleasant surprises, giving you peace of mind and a quieter home.